Great time to come out today. Oh, he's pulling up now. It's a woman. Currently on the way to Skipton and we're lost. Yeah, perfect. We're back on track. Skipton, 11 miles. We made it to Skipton and it's pissing down with rain. We're going into the town centre. Come to Skipton's Dale's Cottage Cafe and Grill. Find Faze.
Find Faze Cottage. I'm waiting for that mint sauce to come. Who's after mint sauce? Because I love it.
Faze doesn't get any pudding. No pudding for Faze because he doesn't eat his vegetables.
No, I don't like cabbage. And carrots are hard.
Left a bit of a mess.
Why would it be doing that?
Well, at least I ate everything. Skipton, a lovely wet Sunday, Easter Sunday. Just had the best roast dinner ever. And now we're just going to have a wander around. Just had a disaster. I dropped my lens cap. Bluebells. Bluebell, yeah. You're not allowed to pick these bluebells. It's illegal. You can't stand them. You don't say you can stand on them. He said it's not illegal to stand on them. We're in Skipton. We're off to the sweet shop. The best sweet shop in Skipton. Nice. They're flying saucers.
There's a lot of sweet shops in this place, isn't there?
They're flying, look at the size of them flying saucers. Just been in the sweet shop and I got myself some chili licorice. That way, chili licorice. You sitting up there?
Yeah.
You get piles. Huh? She's the Black Horse pub in Skipton.
Black Horse?
It's pretty damn large. The Black Horse, what's it called?
Black Horse, but it's with your accent. It sounds like it's a Black Horse pub.
Not the Black Horse. The Black Horse. Welcome to the Black Horse. The Black Horse pub.
Where am I going? Are you going?
Skipton. It's quite a big pub. Which bar are we going to?
Can you look after that drink?
What do you want? Half for what? Half of the cheapest lager and black.
What are you drinking?
What am I drinking? I'm drinking a Golden Sheep ale.
Golden Sheep Ale. What have you got?
Peroni. You even get it in a Peroni glass as well.
And what have you got in the corner?
Barley sugar.
Barley sugar, we're going to strike that down.
And I haven't got anything because I don't drink.
Okay, we don't know whether this is just a euphemism or not, but apparently Faze has gone to stroke a dog. Where have you been?
Stroking a dog.
What do you like doing?
Drinking beer.
And stroking dogs?
Drinking beer and stroking dogs.
Back to Burnley. Good day out.